All right, next here we're going to look at relative coordinate entry. So we're going to be off the X and Y axis, and you can turn on your dynamo there, dynamic input. So back on Google here, and we're looking at our model here. So, and I'm going to go back here. Let's get back to where we should be going in Module 3, Learn. And we are looking at our relative coordinate entry. So if you don't have this downloaded, I would download it, open it up, and it pops up right here. And you should also have this in front of you here. So we're going to be focusing on just typing in our X and Y values, and we're not going to be working on off of our X and Y axis or 0, 0. So these can be drawn at any point on your drawing here. So back onto AutoCAD and on my coordinate practice document. And again, you want to make sure you save these. You can see my other one over here. And what we're going to create is this little box shape here, along with some circles in the center. So I'm going to delete this here. Yeah, it's going away. And then I'm going to start here, okay, with my line tool, and I'm on my object line, and specify first point. So my first point here, right here. And now it's asking me here, okay, where do I want my next point to be? And I want my next point to be 3.42 over, if you're looking at your document, and then on the X, and then 0 on the Y. So 3.42, comma, 0, enter. And then I get a straight line. And then I'm going to go a little sideways here. Next point is going to be 0.80, and you have this in your table there too, and then 0.80, enter. And then straight up here, next point C to D is going to be 0, 0 on the X, comma, and then 1.90, enter. Then this here is where we got to start thinking in negatives, because I'm going back here. Okay, I'm going back on the x-axis, negative. So this is going to be negative 3.47, comma, 0, enter, like so. And then down a little bit here, this is going to be negative 0.75, comma, and then negative 0.75 again. Get that angle. And then finish this off here, F to A, we're going 0, so 0 on the X, comma, and then we are going negative 1.95, enter. And it closes it off there, and then escape. And then I'm going to draw these circles here in the center. So from A to that center point there on the lower left there. So we were going to go over 1 and up 0.9. All right, so L space and up. And I'm going to over 1 and then up 0.9. So X, and I got a little there in the center. And then from this corner here, up top on the right, I'm going to go down, and this time I'm going over on the X, so negative 1.25 because we're going back, and then negative 0.9 on the Y, like so. And then C for circle. And then this top one here, the diameter again, so you got to think about diameter, so D space. Diameter for that circle, if we're looking at our document, it's going to be 0.9, like so. And then this diameter right here, and circle D space is going to be 0.68. And you want to make sure you have these correct because you're going to want to use this for your quiz. All right, and then I can delete these lines here. So I can delete that line, don't need that, and I don't need that. And then I'd make sure you save this here, but that is our relative coordinate entry. Next one here we're going to be doing is our polar coordinate entry. Polar coordinate entry is kind of fun. And check save. And coordinate practice and save it up.